It is indeed.
Eugene, you've done a lot, man. That's one of the things I'm impressed with about you, why I wanted to get you in here. You're the author of an awesome book called Fight. You're the singer of a band called Oxbow. You do a internet radio show. You do fight seminars. Is there anything you don't do? Do you bake?
I don't make money. I'm not so good at making money. Right?
Who does, man? Nobody makes money.
Right,
I work
right.
for peanuts. I work for concert tickets that they'll give
There
me.
you go. Okay, but I do bake. So
You make a mean cookie. You're underway at the Truckee, is that right?
yeah.
What you got going on up there?
It's a two-day fight seminar called Masters on the Mountain. So and they bring in guys from as far away as Florida and Philadelphia and all kinds of secret fight techniques.
Secret fight techniques, like ninja stuff.
Actually, yeah. I mean, I thought it was going to be kind of like bad comedy, but it was pretty cool, the last one I did. So.
Oh, okay, so this isn't your first one. You've done this one
This
before?
is my second one, yeah. So and one of the guys, the prison fight guy who I put in this book, in the fight book, he's got a whole segment that he teaches. So
What was that called again? It was
rock
called
and roll,
Rock and roll. That was
Jail-
rock
jail-
and rumble
jail-
or something.
No, Jailhouse Rock, depending on
Yeah,
which side
one
of
of
the fence you're
the
on.
my favorite techniques in there was the
Slap,
nut grab.
slap, grab, and roll.
Roll.
Slap, grab, and
Grab,
roll.
roll.
Basically, it's when you slap the other dude's junk, grab it, twist it, and
He
Take him down.
showed me.
Oh.
It's not pleasant at all. And I thought he was going to be light with it, and he wasn't light at all.
well, if you're gonna learn it, you got to learn it all the way.
That's what he said. It took me about an hour afterward. I think.
Oh yeah, you get that creeping feeling.
In
in
about
your
2
stomach.
days, yeah, my nuts hurt for about 2 days.
We should get you to do that to Will later. You
No,
wanna
not today, not today. I told you I got a date tomorrow night, and I haven't been on one in a while, so I need to.
You got a date. You can't slap, grab, and roll.
You don't need strangulated testicles. I guess,
Yeah.
before a day, so.
And that's one of the things I like about your book, though, too, is that it's really realistic. It's written to the point to where you can kind of understand everything that's going on in it. And well, of course, there's pictures, which are key for me. I like Dr. Seuss books.
Hey man,
So
it's
it
for the
really
cheap
works out.
seats. There's not a lot of words in this book, just lots of big pictures. You can read it on the toilet. You know?
It's awesome. The title chapters really got me too. Of course, there's the Jailhouse Rock one.
Right.
There's lots of other ones. There's I can't even think of them off the top of my head. I'm
So
sure you
you've
know.
been stabbed.
So you've been stabbed. What do you do next? That is actually one of the title chapters.
It is.
It's
It
genius.
is.
And not only did you write the book, but I see you brought some audio books as well. Is it you narrating it?
It is. We
Oh,
tried
that's
to
even
get
better.
Charlton Heston, but then it turns out he was dead.
So he had to pass.
So I had to do it. So and it's not the book. You can't fit the whole book on the audio CD. It's a 2 CD set, but it's selected chapters from it.
Oh, okay,
So,
okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool that it's you.
And there's a bonus extra. They're called the one finger punch that I put on there. I don't know if you heard it. You should be laughing.
Check out the bonus track. I'm gonna have to listen to that too. 'Cause apparently, I missed out by buying the book. I saw this book. I was out Christmas shopping, and I saw the book. I wanted it for myself, but I was shopping for Christmas, so I couldn't. And then I got money for Christmas.
Yeah, nice.
Went back and bought it, which
Nice.
was awesome.
Yeah.
And then I read it nonstop, cover to cover.
Where'd you find it? What store?
Where was it at? It wasn't Barnes and Noble. It was the other one over by Costco. Which one is it?
Borders.
Borders,
Yeah,
yeah.
Borders. So I picked it up over there. I really enjoyed it. Took it to work actually, and a lot of my friends were looking at it and they wanted to check it out. I let them
Nice,
borrow it.
nice.
Will actually took it home. He was cramming, doing some homework, and he's
Nice.
enjoying it.
Right.
It's an awesome book, and if you enjoy mixed martial arts or anything about fighting whatsoever, I mean, you even have like top 10 lists in here
Yeah.
about like the best movie fights and things like that.
Hockey fights. That was one of my favorite. The whole Ty Domi fight thing, man. Because you talk to him and he would start to get. I mean, there are no fighters like hockey enforcers, man. The guy's a multimillionaire businessman now, but he still will throw in a second,
Yeah, and you also have a nice interview with Tank Abbott in there as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Drinking at a bar, getting ready to go do a military thing.
Probably, I don't think I've ever been with a single human being who's consumed more alcohol in the same period of time.
He looks like a drinker.
I tried to like in my little lame way keep up, but after 2 vodkas, it's like, man, I'm a journalist. I gotta be able to pay attention.
You
I
have to be able to
can't
pay attention and make a complete sentence.
Yeah, right. Hey, and then yeah. And then I don't want to get into a fight with him later, which is inevitably where those things end up going, right?
That was this one punch knockout ability.
Yeah,
That'd be a
yeah.
bad deal.
Yeah.
If you could last more than 30 seconds, you might be all right. 'cause
Well, that's the
after
thing,
that-
I mean, I do that whole thing where I fight pros too,
Yeah.
So it's like I got a good sense of, how long exactly I'm going to last. If I could have gotten past that 1 second with Tank, I'd probably done all right.
Yeah, for sure. And you also have some stuff with the Gracies in there. You got some stuff with Kung Lee, as well as I'm trying to think here. Chris Sanford from The Ultimate Fighter.
Yep.
A lot of that stuff, we're going to touch on that in just a few minutes. Metallica right now, it's on Rock 96.7.